I'm trying to figure out how to put this bit back on. I thought it went like that, but it actually goes sideways.
No, upside down. It comes that hole. So
it does go that way.
yeah, and then so those two holes hook into that. Yep, and they hook into those two. Yep.
Ignore what I just said. It goes this way. Alright, its little feet go in here. That goes in there. That goes in there. We do put your cars back together properly. We figure it out as we're going sometimes, because when you're taking apart multiple things, sometimes you forget what you're doing. This is the correct way. Trust us. And he's reassembling the 40 unnecessary torque screws that go back into the grill. Fortunately, the rest of these isn't too bad. Everything's kind of on one big skeleton. Typical Euro cars, everything's on torque screws though. And very brittle plastics, especially when they're a little bit aged. This is a 17 plate. But it's going to look pretty cool.
I like the food.
Cut to install.
Yeah. But which way?
Go this way.
Yep.
Just watch the...
myself. That thing slides into there. That thing slides into there. Yep. We can do that one on the car. We're good to go. I've got 2 more to go. I can't believe, or 3 more. I can't believe how many there is for this grill.
Hurry up, Andy. Fans are relying on you.
Only screws, man. Top chop.
You can get used to editing.
Can we get Layla star in the video?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's that easy. Just cut it together.
She'd be like, it's the wheel. Today on the Wheels Auto Employment.
West Coast Customs.
Sorry,
Don't apologise to me. I'm getting your way.
Alright, all yours, Andy.
yeah, I need you to.
I'm going to get this long tube. We're going to do a barbecue today.
What are you cooking?
The barbecue we bought off Marketplace that we've never used before. Kane just cleaned it. So, it works, that's a bonus. You gotta have a shop barbecue, right?
With all the spare time you have to cook every day.
Hence why it's sat in the little shed for 9 months.
Surprised it still works.
Let's see if these...
So where's the food you're actually cooking?
We have...
Do you have any food to put on there, or
No, we do.
cooking hopes and dreams?
Don't have any of those.
I don't have any left.
They're all gone now. They're little past their use by date. No, Andy's mother-in-law brought authentic cow fat. 6 kilos worth, mind you. All the
Might
way
not be
from
enough. Might not be enough for you guys.
So, let's warm this bad boy up.
Barbecue Friday, isn't it?
I think we have oil.